Hi Zesties. Well, today I'm eating pumpkin soup for the second day. I thought maybe I shouldn't even record this because I ate pumpkin soup yesterday. But hey, I might as well record everything, and the more I record, closer to 1,000 Zesties we get. Road to 1,000,000. Gotta have my Waterloo. Also, just so you know, Zesty Nation is officially poppin'. And if you are part of Zesty Nation, you are officially poppin' too. Just wanted all my OG Zesties to know that. My pre-1,000 Zesties, imagine soon you're gonna say, oh, I followed him when he only had 800 or whatever. Okay, and I do it again, the food's too hot really for me to eat like right now. But with soup, it has to be hot. It can't be cold. Zesties. Guess what day it is today? A day I've been talking about for a while. It is Cyber Monday, woohoo! And I bought some stuff for the channel. Let's see. What did I get? Let me know if I'm missing anything. Actually, don't let me know, because whenever I'm uploading this, it's not going to be Cyber Monday anymore. Please no Porch Pirates, because they got my last food delivery. So now I'm tripping. Please no Porch Pirates. Anyway, what did I get? Don't tell me what I missed, because it's not going to be Cyber Monday anymore when I upload this, and I'm not going to want to buy it. So, so I got some microphones. I did not get any microphones like professional quality, but good enough. Like I looked and looked at the reviews and whatever, they looked good enough. The last time I did it, I tried to buy literally the cheapest ones that existed on Amazon, for $7. And they broke. This one is like $20 on sale on Cyber Monday. So I bought a new ring light and stand for the kitchen because I didn't check if it has like a flexible phone holder, but I think they all do. Whatever, it's too late now. But so that I can record while the camera is horizontal. The one I have right now can only hold the camera vertically. Ooh, and I'm really excited about the other things I'm about to tell you. I bought stuff to record in my car. I was trying to think of what's the best way to make those car videos, Why are videos in the car so popular? I don't quite understand the appeal. Is it appealing to the busy average American who's driving to work and going and getting drive-through or whatever. But I was looking at various like ways that I could record from the car, and I decided to get a tray that attaches to the steering wheel to put the food on. I want that sweet potato. And a separate stand that I can put on the windshield, the dashboard, or attach it to the like air conditioning vent. So yeah, should be able to make some really nice car videos soon. I'm gonna have to use that as an excuse to go more places. Like there's all these places I really want to go. Like we have a Dave's Hot Chicken in Tampa. I want to try Dave's Hot Chicken really, 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 really bad. So I'm gonna have to use this as an excuse. Like, you know what? No more excuses. You're doing reviews. Even if you guys want to know the truth. Oh, you guys want to know the truth. So like, I would like to do reviews, but I don't know if I have it in me because, you know, you can't lie. You can't say it's amazing and someone goes to the restaurant and it's bad. On the other hand, I feel that it's, I don't know, because I haven't been to the restaurants that a lot of these like big food reviewers go to. But I feel like they kind of exaggerate on the bad side for views, you know what I mean? Like, oh, this is terrible. Oh my gosh. I don't think that that's good either, you know? But like, when I went to Mississippi, running away from Hurricane Milton, I shot some food review videos there that restaurant reviews, I should say, that I still plan on doing the voiceover on. And one of them was whatever, you know, I'll probably be like, hey, nothing great, nothing terrible, 7 out of 10. Another one I'll probably give like 6.5 out of 10 because the seafood that they sell is not like very good quality, or not like, well, and it's too expensive. If it were much cheaper, but like there's way better in the area, you know? So and then another one is my favorite of the places I went to in the area, which I'll probably give like a 7.5 out of 10. Because, you know, it's just basic Cajun food. I mean, it's great, don't get me wrong. It's just nothing like, out, you know, knock your socks off. But one of the restaurants, I don't even know what score I should give them. I feel like it has to be lower than 5 because, like, there were like 3 things. The place is known for po' boy sandwiches. But when I go to Mississippi, I like to eat all the southern food I can, because in Tampa, we don't really have it. I don't know why. We're supposedly like in the South here, but no southern food, no Cajun food. To be honest, Tampa food scene is not poppin'. Just my opinion. Don't come for me. Well, actually, no. Do come for me. Share me. Tampa food scene is not poppin', so when I go to the South, I really like to enjoy. And I ordered a dish with crab that was like really expensive, which normally I wouldn't do. Normally I'm really cheap, but like I said, I try to enjoy myself as much when I go out there as I can, because we don't really have Cajun food here. So the dish that was supposed to have crab didn't come with crab, and it was just soggy and not really good. And then on the shrimp po' boys, they did not take the poop out of the shrimp. They used little baby shrimp. So I would be able to overlook that if it weren't for so the nail in the coffin was that during my eating, I randomly saw one singular roach climb up the wall. There was a roach. I can't do the review on the restaurant and not include the roach. I have to include the roach. I didn't take a picture or video. I should have thought to do that, but because maybe they'll just say I'm lying, but I don't really see why I would lie about that. You know, and so I'd have to give them like a 4.5 out of 10. I feel like 5, they're not deserving of the 5 with all the compounded problems. But it just has, I still have yet to do the voiceovers on these, but it just has me thinking, do I have the heart to do these restaurant reviews where I'm gonna have to keep it real and be like, yo, look, you said it came with crab, there was no crab, it was soggy, you didn't cut the poop out of the shrimp, there was a roach, 4.5 out of 10, don't recommend, don't go there. And to top it off, the people there were so nice and friendly and great and everything. It's like I kind of feel bad saying these things, but I guess it is what it is. If I want to become popular, I'm going to have to do whatever it takes, including giving bad reviews. It is what it is. Okay, but sorry, I got off topic. I'll do more reviews now that I have my car stuff. But, what else did I buy? I bought the stand for the kitchen to record cooking videos. I bought the stuff for my car to record car videos. Oh. I bought a tapestry. Can't wait till you guys see the tapestry. I picked the coolest tapestry. I just hope that it is easy to like put up and take down, because I don't really have the space. To be honest, I totally would have the space to do have like a separate mukbang area. However, my sugar glider toys are on the wall. And I do not particularly want to take them down. So if I either can take the sugar gliders down and use that as my mukbang area, or use my same area that I work in, which is right here, as my mukbang area. So hopefully the tapestry is easy to like put up and take down. We will see. But I bought a tapestry. Actually, funny enough, these videos made me think of one thing to buy. I bought some clear bowls. For a day like today, if I'm eating soup, you should be able to see the soup. So I have purchased, or like my rice bowls, I've done rice bowls before and stuff, and you know, yeah. I'm trying to think of if I forgot anything. I did. I bought a mirror that I'm gonna try to use behind my phone so that I can use my rear camera and still see myself. I'm not quite sure how this works or what, you know, because like I feel like if I do that, the mirror has to go behind my phone, so I'd have to have the phone we'll figure it out. I bought a mirror in order to attempt to record. Oh, I forgot one thing, but hey, it's still Cyber Monday. I need a ring light for here. You know what I mean? For when I record my mukbangs. See, it's great I did this video because now I just thought of one more thing that I can use, and now I can buy it before Cyber Monday ends. I hope I have time to review the crumble cookies this week. I'm like, I don't know if I'll have time tomorrow, which would mean I might end up doing it on Wednesday, which is kind of late in the week, but whatever. I just enjoy, you know? This is my self-care, all this cooking and eating. That flavor is so good with the Scotch bonnet. Oh, I need to store those Scotch bonnets like right now. I cannot risk ruining my ability to eat Scotch bonnets throughout the year. I must freeze them like now. Like I said though, I cannot wait for you guys to see my tapestry. It's gonna be poppin'. And I bought a black one. One of my Zesties recommended a black one. So, we'll see how that looks. You know what another thing is? Something to replace this, but I don't quite know what. I used to have a wooden, like, little mini table. However, it would get very dirty and like I couldn't, and it didn't clean very easily. Whatever, we'll see. I'm gonna hop on Amazon and see what else I can buy for Cyber Monday. Bye, Zesties.